Hello, in front of me I've got SOUNDCORE Sleep A10. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. In the beginning, go to SOUNDCORE app, go to Controls, and now you can select controls for music mode. You can enable double tap. For the left earbud you can select between switch mode, volume, minus, volume plus, next, previous, play or pause. And the same for the right earbud. Then you can reset it. Let's select sleep mode and go back to controls. And for double tap you can enable again switch mode and play pause. And same for the right. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.